Hello, I'm Shad Erdal and this is Yara Ferman and we are from Nilüfer Girls High School. Our project is recycling oil as fuel. Since recent years we have seen a lot of problems about pollution in our world and we have thought of ways to fix this and at the same time benefit us. Oil is used in every house, every restaurant, even in hotels daily, so it is a huge problem to pollution. Us humans use oil as feedstock, why not use it in other ways as it is said in our project. Biodiesel fuel produced from virgin vegetable oil is transformed through a process called transesterification. We use an ester, which is our waste oil, combined with or mixed with methanol with a small amount of catalyst, sodium hydroxide, to start a chemical reaction. The final result can be used as biodiesel fuel and it can be used in machinery, vehicles and farm equipment. The byproduct glycerin can be separated out and can be used in cleaning products, pharmaceuticals and cosmetics.
Hello, I'm Yara Ferman Kalhe. I'm from Nilofer Girls. As she said, our project today was about recycling oil as a fuel. And recycling oil as a fuel. We always wanted the best for our country or city. We came up with this idea for a better future and a better tomorrow. Our project is about recycling oil as a fuel. As you can see in the video, we've recycled oil by the transesterification reaction. We used methanol, which is an alcohol. Methanol is used in this experiment. Why? Because it's better for our result. It's much more easier. And after that, we use sodium hydroxide, NaOH, which is better for the methanol. When we mix these two alcohol and the salt together, we put them inside the oil and clean or recycle that oil. After recycling it, we're going to preheat it to 150 degrees Celsius and we get our result, and our result is a recycled oil. As you can see in this picture, our oil is cleaned and recycled. Thank you.